What's up guys, my name is Stefan and welcome back to 12 Days of Chelliko. Today is day 4 and in today's video I'm going to tell you my top 10 most watched TikToks. So this is my TikTok username, go follow me. Coming in with 17.0 thousand views is this one. So you'll have the caption and everything, the number of likes, and enjoy.
Nope. 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 Yep.
Coming in with 17.4 thousand views is this one. Come on. The 8th place belongs to a TikTok with 19.3 thousand views and it's this one.
Cheers! Tea!
At the 7th spot we have a recent TikTok with 19.7 thousand views. With 23.8 thousand views is the 6th place and it's this TikTok. The 5th place belongs to a TikTok with 25.1 thousand views. The 4th and 3rd place both have 28,000 views, and here's the 4th.
I could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple, I could be green or pink or black or white, I could be every color you like.
And here's the 3rd. Another recent TikTok with 32.9 thousand views, it's this one. And the 1st place belongs to a TikTok with 57.9 thousand views. I started off with Macedonia, I'm ending it with Macedonia, and it's this one. Enjoy. So, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and also share it with friends. My name is Stefan and I'll see you all later. Bye! Stay strong.